everybody, Aaron here from Bean Sprout. I have a little mini 5-string to show you today. So every time I put one of these together, especially in this low tuning, I just have to take a minute to get my hands and mechanics shrunk down to the tiny size, but once I find my touch, I just have so much fun playing these, and it gets so much sound for such a little guy. It's an 8-inch rim with a 17-inch scale, and I have a string set on it that can be tuned to open G, like your regular 5-string banjo, or the other appropriate tunings near there, right? Which is pretty cool at such a small size. So in this case, we use some like wavy, curly walnut for the body, and some pistachio for all the trim and the fretboard and head plate. And I love the sapwood in the pistachio there. Very cool. It's got a goatskin head and a little brass armrest on here, which is nice. And our special string set for open G. Really long sustain on this little friend. So this is number 1017. Cheers.